Hello everyone, welcome to our channel VIVAN Education. We are discussing chapter 4 Exponents and Powers. So we completed exercise 4.1. We are discussing now exercise 4.2. In that we completed first bit and as well as second bit. Yes, if you missed these classes, I given link in description. You can check that one. Okay. Today we will complete this remaining 3 bits in exercise 4.2. We are having a third bit, fourth and fifth bit. Okay, with this this chapter will be complete. So here already written the questions. Question number 3 is express the following information in the standard form. So as like first bit only, again same we had to do. Nothing but standard form we have to convert given numbers. So what is given first one? The size of a bacteria is 0.000004 meters. Okay. So first we'll write what is given. He given the size of bacteria is given as 0. How many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and given 4 meters. And we know if you remove the decimal point term, we have to take those many zeros in the denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you remove the decimal point, the number will be how much here? Only 4. So this implies here I am writing 4 by this one I am writing 10 to the power of 7 because 10 here repeating is this many times, right? 10 is raised to the power of 7 because decimal after we having these many values, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nothing but 10 is raised to the power of 7. With the formula 1 by 8 to the power of n, formula 8 to the power of minus n, nothing but 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters is the answer. Okay, so this is the standard form. Next, second one is the size of red blood cells is 0.000007 millimeters. Given what here? 0. How many zeros here? 3 plus 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and given 7 mm. This implies if you remove the decimal point, we have to write these many zeros here. Nothing but 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you remove the decimal point, the value will be how much here? 7 only. Right? This implies 7 by here nothing but 6 times is repeating, right? 0s to 6 are there, right? Nothing but 10 to the power of 6. Again with the formula 1 by 8 to the power of n, nothing but 8 to the power of minus n. Nothing but 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is the answer. Okay. So because these are directly I am writing here. If you want to take a decimal like that also you can do. Okay. Next one, third one. So, what is the third question? The speed of the light is given 3 and how much is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 given. Nothing but this one 3 into 10 to the power of 8 because 0s are 8 is right. So, I am writing as 10 to the power of 8. Nothing but what is the measure given here? Meters per seconds. So this is the direct one. If decimal point is there means we are getting the denominator right and we are getting power is negative here. Directly given number. So directly I am writing 3 into 10 to the power of 8 is the answer. Okay. Next one. The distance between the moon and the earth is given this much. And here having only 3 zeros. Right. So 3, 8, 4, 4, 6, 7 and given 3 zeros. Again I am writing total number 3, 8, 4, 4, 6, 7 into, so I am writing as 10 to the power of 3. Yes, is it okay? 10 to the power of 3. So here having see, these are all single digits, right? So that's why we will not put here a decimal point. So here we can place anywhere a decimal point. Suppose normally we will take after the first digit we will take the decimal point. If you place a decimal point after 3, 3.84467, right? So after decimal point, how many values are here? Digits is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiplying with what? 1 lakh here. Yes. into 10 to the power of 3. Why I am multiplying means if you multiply again this one means you will get the same number here. Okay, this implies a 3.84467 into this one I am writing as 10 to the power of how much? 5. Because having here how many? 5 zeros into 10 to the power of 3. This implies what? 3.84467 into, we know, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n, right? So 10 to the power of 5 plus 3 is what? 8 is the answer. So why you have to put here after 3 only? We will put somewhere here, okay? Suppose I want to put after 4 here. Then what will happen? 3844.67, right? So after decimal having two digits only right here, nothing but 10th and 100th. So just to multiply with 100 and write 10 to the power of 3 as it is. Okay. Then 3844.67 into 100 I am writing as what? 10 to the power of 2, nothing but 10 squared into 10 cube. Again 3844.67 into again a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n, nothing but 10 to the power of 2 plus is how much? 5. Like this you can put a decimal point anywhere, okay, or else you can stop here on. Okay, so this is what about third bit. How many? We completed 4 sums. Next, fifth question. So total we are having here total 7 questions. Fifth one is the charge of an electron is 0. This one is 0.16 coulombs. So nothing but given in coulombs. Solution. So first we will write how many zeros are there. We will count first here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Actually 17 is there, right? 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 1, 6. Right? Nothing but after pointer having 19 digits. Right? So if you remove the decimal pointer, you will get how many zeros here? 19 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. If you remember the decimal point, you will get number here 16. So just why I am writing these directly we can't write 10 to the power of 9 means we can write. But this is a general form. Actual form you have to write first this one only. Okay. Then you have to convert into the power of. Nothing but 16 by now we can write 10 to the power of 19. Yes, is it clear? Now this implies we know 1 by a to the power of n, formula a to the power of minus n, right? So 16 into 10 to the power of minus 19 is the answer. Okay, suppose if you want to place a decimal point, so after 1 we'll place a decimal point, then 1.6 into, so point after we having only 1 digit, right? So nothing but this is a 10th place, nothing but just I'm multiplying with 10 into 10 to the power of minus 19. If you multiply 1.6 into 10, again you will get here 16 only, right? Nothing but here 10 power 1. Then 1.6 into a to the power of m into a to the power of n, nothing but a to the power of m plus n, right? Then 10 to the power of 19, so plus minus means subtraction we have to do. 19 minus 1 is how much? 18. And comparing to 1 and 19, 19 is a greater number having which symbol? Minus. So the answer is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulombs. Yes, is clear? Now, next one. Sixth one. Thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016 centimeters. Given what? 0.0016 centimeters. Implies check it here. Denominator how much zeros will get here? Point after here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is there. So nothing but here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if you do the decimal point, the number of how much will be here? 16. This implies 16 by this one we can write as 10 to the power of 4. Nothing but 10,000 we can write as 10 to the power of 4. This implies again same 1 by a to the power of n, formula a to the power of minus n. Then 16 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, again place a decimal point after any digit here. Suppose the 1 after means 1.6 into, you have to multiply with 10 because after digit only one value is there. So if you multiply 1.6 into 10, again it makes 16 into 10 to the power of minus 14, sorry, minus 4. Remember here power will be 1. This implies 1.6 into 8 to the power of m into 8 to the power of n, nothing but 8 to the power of m plus n. 10 to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3. Comparing to 1 and 4, 4 is a greater number having minus symbol. So answer is what? Minus 3 centimeters. So thickness of the paper, thickness of a piece of paper is how much here now? After changing into standard form, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters. Clear? Then next one. Last one is about seventh one. The diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.000005 centimeters. So nothing but given value is 0.00005 centimeters, right? So after decimal point we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you remove the decimal point, the remaining value will be here how much? 5. Then this is equals to 5 by, this one I am writing as 10 to the power of 6. Okay, nothing but 10 is raised to the power of 6. So this implies, we know again same formula, 1 by 8 to the power of n, nothing but 8 to the power of minus n. Then 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeters. Okay, so when we got a single digit means we are writing here directly answer. Okay, so when having a 2 or more digits, we are placing a decimal point here. So we are getting like these answers. Okay, so this is about the first bit. No, sorry, third bit. This is clear. Fourth question. In a pack, there are 5 books, each of thickness at 20 millimeters and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 millimeters. What is the total thickness of the pack? Okay, we had to find the total thickness of the pack. Okay, this one first we'll let what is the given data. Okay, so number of books, how much given here? 5. And thickness given, thickness of each book, how much given? 20 millimeters, right? Now we will find the total thickness of 5 books. How much will get here? Nothing but 5 books into thickness 20, nothing but 5, 25 is 100 millimeters, right? This is about thickness of 5 books. Then he given paper sheets, right? 5 paper sheets. Nothing but 5 books here, 20 mm, and 5 paper sheets thickness how much given? 0.016 millimeters. Nothing but I will write number of paper sheets. Number of paper sheets is equals to 5 and thickness given. Again, thickness of each paper sheet is how much given? 0.016 millimeters. Now we will find the total thickness of the paper sheet. Total thickness of how many? 5 paper sheets. 5 paper sheets is equal to what? 5 into each one, 0.016, right? Now multiply this one, 0.016 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 is how much? 8, and 5 zeros are 0 and 0. So decimal point after 3 digits, so the answer how much we got here? 0.080 millimeters. This one I am considering as a 0.08 millimeters. So now we got thickness of the 5 books and the thickness of 5 paper sheets. How much we got? 0.08 and as well as 100 millimeters. Actually what we had to find, what is the total thickness of the pack? We had to find the total thickness of the pack. Therefore total thickness total thickness of the pack. So how will you get the total thickness of the pack? Means by adding total thickness of 5 books plus total thickness of what? 5 paper sheets. That means by adding these two, you will get the total thickness of the pack. So nothing but total thickness of the 5 books. How much is there here? 100 millimeters plus 5 paper sheets. How much we got here? 0.08 millimeters. So nothing but decimal point. So nothing but 100 plus 0. Nothing but how much will get here? 100. Nothing but whole number part, and decimal part. How much is there here? 0.8 millimeters. So therefore the total thickness of the pack is equals to 100.08 millimeters. So to convert into the powers, just I am shifting point to the before 2 digits. Nothing but after 1 I am placing a decimal point. Nothing but how much will be that? 1.0008. So point is shifting from here to after 2 digits. That's why I am multiplying with 10 power 2 millimeters. So this is the answer. Therefore total thickness of the pack is equals to how much? 1.0008 into 10 to the power of 2 millimeters. Okay, so this is about the fourth one. Fifth one is last question. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? Justify your argument. So Rakesh has solved some problems of exponents here. Like this he solved here. So we agree or not. If we not agree, we have to justify our argument. So first one he given as he solved as x power minus 3 into x to the power of minus 2 is equals to x to the power of minus 6. So we'll agree or not once we'll check here. So first we'll find this one. So it is in the form of what? A to the power of m into a to the power of n. Nothing but a to the power of m plus n. Nothing but x to the power of minus 3 plus minus 2. Then how much will get here? X to the power of minus 3 and minus 2, it becomes minus 5. Now what you'll say is x to the power of minus 5 is equals to x to the power of minus 6. These two are equal? No. So no, we cannot agree with the Rakesh solution, because we know that we are getting answer is what? X to the power of minus 5, but is solved as x to the power of minus 6. So we not agree with the solution. As the formula we know a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Right? That's why he done wrong solution. Clear? Okay, next one, second one. What I did here, x cube by x square is equals to x to the power of 4. Okay, so we know clearly it is in the form of a to the power of m by a to the power of n. Nothing but what's the formula? A to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of 3 minus 2, right? M is 2, n is m is 3, n is 2. Nothing but m minus n, then 3 minus 2. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to how much? 1. And but what is already here? X to the power of 4. He got both he got x to the power of 1 here? No, he got what? X to the power of 4. So nothing but it is wrong. Again he did wrong, because the correct answer is what? X to the power of 1, but he got x to the power of 4. So this is also wrong. We cannot agree with the Rakesh solution. Okay, actually he should get what's the answer? X to the power of 1. Third one. So what is the third question? X square whole cube is equals to x square and power 3 is equals to x to the power of 8. Clearly we know a to the power of m whole power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. Right? Nothing but x to the power of 2 into 3. Nothing but how much? 2 into 3, nothing but 6. Right? Is equals to 2 cube means how much we got here? x to the power of 8 is equals to x to the power of 8. So actually how much you have to get x square whole cube means we have to get x to the power of 6. But how much we got here? X to the power of 8. So again he did wrong. So we cannot agree with Rakesh's solution. So the actual answer is what? X to the power of 6. Clear? Okay. Nothing. Next one. X to the power of minus 2 is equals to root of x. So we know that a to the power of minus n, a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n, right? So x square, x to the power of minus 2 means it becomes what? 1 by x square, right? 1 by x square. So is equals to root x. Now what you can say about these two? Root x means if you cancel means it becomes what? X to the power of 1 by 2, right? So 1 by x square and is equals to root x means no, because these two are not equal. So what is the correct answer is 1 by x square. Again Rakesh did a wrong solution. Okay, next one and the last one is what? 3 into x to the power of minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3x. Okay, once we'll check here, we know that a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. Here clearly this becomes what? 3 into x power minus 1 means it makes what? 1 by x. Nothing but 3 ones are 3. 3 by x. And what he got the answer is equals to 1 by 3x. Now 3 by x is equals to 1 by 3x? No. That means he did again wrong solution. So what is the actual answer is 3 by x. So Rakesh did all the solutions as wrong. Okay, just based on the formula you will get the correct answer. Okay, so this is about fifth bit and successfully we completed exercise 4.2. Okay, once you check if any doubt is there means you can do in comment section. So with this we completed chapter 4. So in this what we have discussed here means laws of exponents introduction and a standard and usual form, comparison of numbers and errors means nothing but last method is what? Nothing but errors. So we done here a comparison of numbers. We done only small numbers only here, right? So this is about exponents and powers, and you have to remember the formulas. If you know the formulas, then only you can solve. So laws of exponents, once you recall these formulas by using this one, you can solve all the sums. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you so much.